Hello everyone, welcome to Nick Codes. Today we'll be seeing a very basic examples of SQL queries. We will take an example of a very famous data sets, employees, where we have different tables starting from departments, department employed, department managers, employees, salaries, and titles. So this is the first video of SQL playlist. Here we will see an example of select and the limit statement in SQL. Starting with the select, what we do with select. With the help of select statement, we can extract all the data from the employees table and we can see or we can make a prediction like what are present in these tables. So if we say select star, star means all columns we want to see in employees table from the table name, which is employees, and semicolon to terminate the query. And then once we click on execute, it will start executing and it returns these many rows in 1.5000 seconds. So with the help of star, we get all the columns present in the employees table, which is employee number, birth date, first name, last name, gender, and hire date. What if we want to see only employee number and the first name column in employees table? We don't want to see all the columns. So for in that case, what we will do, instead of using star, we will say the column names which we want to see. In here, we want employee number and first name. And we click on execute and it will start executing and it will return the same number of rows, but the columns will be less in 0.891 second. So we can see we can choose the column name which we want to see in the employees table. Afterwards, we can also use limit to select the number of rows which we want to see. Suppose we want to see limit 10. We want to see only 10 rows in it. So in that case, we will use limit function and the number of rows which we want to see. As we click on execute, so see, it will show the total number of rows which we have mentioned here means 10 rows has been returned and the same number of columns which we have mentioned here. But in the significant less number of time, if you see 0.000 second, which is almost very less as compared to the previous one, because here we are not going through all the rows, we are only going through 10 rows. That's all for today. In the coming videos, we will move forward with more advanced SQL commands. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.